Most traders fight volatility. They fear volatility. The fractal chaos bands make the volatility as your advantage. Let's take a look how it works and how you can benefit from it. So today, let's talk about the fractal chaos band. This is a volatility indicator that comes to help, I would say, even visualize extreme conditions. It helps to identify strong trends and strong momentums as well as reversals, and as well help with breakouts in the market. Where do you find this indicator? So we go to the indicator sections, volatility, fractal chaos bands. You can of course here predefine your style of the lines, the levels, visibility, everything you would like, and this is how it looks like. The FCB, the fractal chaos band indicator in short, is used on the market peaks, market extreme point, either the highs or the lows, which relies on the fractals creating these peaks, and it helps to visualize these conditions by connecting two bands on the peaks and on the bottoms. And this indicator comes to help identify market conditions and find good trading opportunities. What are these most common uses of this indicator? Let's break it down. So the very first one, trending market conditions. When we are in a steep slope to the upside, when the bands are trending upside, we are in a bullish market conditions. On the other hand, when the bands are sloping to the downside, we are in bearish market conditions. With that in mind, I'm sure you already have the imagination what happens when the bands are flat. We usually enter like here and like here, without exceptions, of course, of peaks. And here, when we are in flat band, usually lower volatility, consolidations, ranging market conditions. Another use traders love with this indicator is when it comes to show breakouts, especially after narrow band conditions. So for example, here you can see that this is very narrow compared to the other market conditions, and what happens here is a break and hold out of the fractal chaos band. And not just that, the market also breaks above the recent high. As you can see, low, high, low, break and hold. So it breaks above the market high and above the bands. And what happens right after that? The band starts to be sloping to the upside, show bullish market condition, and that's how we spot good bullish opportunities. Of course, bearish is the vice versa when it comes to show breakouts in the bearish direction, like for example here. And why it is important, look what happens here. The market creates high, low, some range, bull breaking, closing below the low and below the band. Usually this is an indication that the market enters the bearish phase and sellers are likely to take the control. Want to learn more indicators? Want to learn more trading tricks? Make sure you follow this channel.